Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Here's a quick look at a stock that I just put on our active trade idea list today. LPG, Dorian Ltd. I just briefly mentioned that on today's show with Charles Payne on Fox Business. We didn't really have time to talk in detail. He just kind of threw it at me at the last second. Anyway, this stock from a technical standpoint looks really good. It's on this chart, it kind of looks like a deep cup and handle. I can make it pretty if we just do that, but the dynamics are still the same. This stock pulled back down, gradually kind of built a base here, and now has been running up here. We got a nice high volume day here. Then we got one concerning, shall I say, volume spike on a down day. But as it turns out, guess what? That was the low. And so we really have this new support level right around here, and then the stock broke out. So this is a liquid petroleum gas transport company, and it's in one of the top industry groups in the market. And so this is where we want to be. We want to be in these groups where buyers are coming in, as opposed to shareholders hanging on, like on the big cappers, you know, Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta, Faceplant, whatever you want to call it, all of that kind of stuff. And in fact, well, I'm thinking about it. I'm sorry, I didn't even look at this. Yeah, so Apple's big reveal came today, the iPhone 15, and I'm sure it's wonderful. My glass is cracked on my 13, so I'll have to do something about that, but I ain't going to replace it with the 15. What I see happening here is nothing, like nothing. And so when I see this type of thing, the big news, oh my God, hey, it's a new iPhone, it's going to be awesome, and the stock's up $1, that doesn't really get my attention. But when Dorian pops out like this on almost twice average volume and holds the breakout, that's something that gets my attention. So I started a small position in this, not a big one, not a big one at all. I don't really trust too many stocks in the market right now, and don't really truly trust this one either, but I'm watching it, I'm playing along a little bit, and then if it really starts to prove itself, then maybe I'll up my stake. But for the time being, I think everything should be for a trade. Okay, that's all I got for you. If you're not a member, you might want to check it out. We're having a hell of a lot of fun over there, and you do get a 14-day trial. If you don't like it, it's okay, man. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. I'll see you.